right, there's been some whale sightings on the other side. I'm on my way. I'll bring you guys along. Sighting right over here in that little area there. I'm gonna zoom in. Did you see it? Yeah, there he is. Yeah. Zoom in a little bit. There. Did you see it?
Yep, I see it. Yep.
There he is. Yeah. Oh yeah. How cool. Oh wow, there's the tail. Hey. How cool. Got my eye out for nature for y'all. Haven't seen any in the last half hour. And it is chilly. The naturalist came on and said that there's goats, mountain goats, and a lot of other wildlife to look for on the land. Now I wish I had binoculars. Alright, so we just dropped off all the passengers for the glacier tour. They're gonna go close to the glacier, so they're headed in before we go. And that runs about $400 a person. It's kind of pricey. But now we're starting to move again, and we're gonna go get to see the glacier now ourselves from a further distance, but that's okay with me. I don't have a problem with that. So far we've been here for, we've been this group of people here about 3 hours, and we've seen about 10 sights of whales and other wildlife. It's so amazing what I've been experiencing. So yeah, really cool. All right, I'll show you more as it comes. This is why you come to Alaska. It's just I can't, no words describe what you see here. There's an iceberg right here, an iceberg right there. Now take a look. Runoff is almost finished. And these waterfalls are beautiful. Wow, how beautiful. It's incredible. We've been here 3 hours now, and like every 15 minutes you have a new scenery. It's so magical. Wow. Incredible, just incredible. Oh, look at the size of that iceberg. Wow. Crazy. Wow. That's a big one right there. Wow. It's incredible. I'm telling you, I keep repeating myself, but every time 2 minutes, another scenery comes and you see something new. Like this waterfall coming up. Just incredible. I gotta take these pictures too. I'll be back. How cool is that, huh? How it splits off in the bottom too, right into the glacier water, and how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness, 3 minutes later, here we are, and we have another beautiful scenery here. Incredible. incredible. Look at that. It's so amazing. And how high these cliffs are. Wow. Well, look. There it is, right there. Look at the mountaintop with a glacier at the very top of the mountain. Unbelievable. You can, I don't know if I can catch this on film or not, but that's all blue ice up there on the top. Wow. It's so amazing. So 15 minutes ago, I would have told you I was about to take my jacket off. I'm now shivering, cold. So always bring layers when you come to Alaska. My fingers, I don't have my gloves or anything. I'm cold. And literally a half an hour ago, I was ready to just take off my jacket. So it can get cold on a dime here. So bring warm clothing, layer up. I'm fine on my jacket. It's just my fingers and my ears. All right, guys, we'll see you back there. Oh my goodness, we're getting closer and closer. I would say we're at least 15 degrees colder than when we started. So all this ice and snow-capped mountains are keeping it really cold. But look at this beautiful, now we still need to go in through here and they're gonna maneuver through all those icebergs. That's just insane. I would hate to be the person in charge of doing that. But how gorgeous is this? I mean, it's just incredible. Beautiful mountains in the background, icebergs in the water. How amazing. How amazing. Isn't that incredible? Incredible. So I'm going to go up to deck 14. Check this out. From this is our only view. I guess we can't go any further up because of the icebergs. I'll be back. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, that is so cool.
Do you want to take a picture? I'm not there.
Look at the views. Look at that. Isn't that incredible? Alright, go up one more.
Okay. My wife should. My kids are born in town.
Alright, guys, so look at that. Isn't that amazing? I mean, we got the waterfall, the whale tail, the whole 9 yards right there. What a great day. So I'm going to continue this episode on the passage out and see what else happens for the day. But until then, you know, maybe tomorrow I'll bring out my camera again and I'll show you the next sport. If, yeah, because I've been doing this pretty much all day. I think I'm gonna, it's already 4 o'clock. I started around 8:30 this morning. So I think what the plan is for me right now is I think I'm gonna go relax a little bit and then I'll start If I want to vlog, I will. If not, I'm gonna unwind it. This has just been a most amazing experience ever. I could, no words put this. You have to be here to see it, to enjoy it. So I highly recommend this. It's amazing, amazing. Anyways, until then, see you soon. Bye.